Welcome back to RECTRENDS, where design meets innovation. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most elegant and technologically advanced SUVs of its class, the 2026 Mazda CX-50. With its balance of sophistication, athletic design, and cutting-edge technology, this model continues Mazda's evolution into the premium SUV segment. Let's explore what makes this car truly stand out. From the very first glance, the 2026 CX-50 radiates Mazda's latest Kodo design, soul of motion philosophy, now refined with futuristic simplicity. At the front, the sleek horizontal LED light bar stretches across the fascia, seamlessly blending into the slim headlamps, a signature of Mazda's next-gen aesthetic. The illuminated Mazda emblem sits proudly at the center, giving off an unmistakably premium glow. The minimalist grille and sculpted bumper exude aerodynamic precision, balancing aggression and elegance. Moving to the side profile, the CX-50 looks strong yet refined. The long, sweeping hood, black cladding, and large alloy wheels emphasize its sporty stance. A single dynamic line runs across the body, giving the SUV a sense of motion even when parked. At the rear, Mazda brings symmetry and sophistication together. A full-width LED taillight connects both ends of the car, with the bold Mazda lettering commanding attention at the center. Dual exhausts and a sculpted diffuser finish off the rear design, blending elegance with sport-inspired confidence. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an environment that perfectly captures Mazda's human-centric philosophy. The interior is wrapped in warm brown leather with exquisite stitching, creating an atmosphere of refined craftsmanship. A massive panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, highlighting every premium detail. The minimalist dashboard flows horizontally, dominated by a full-width digital display that integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, clean, futuristic, and intuitive. The center console features a modern rotary dial, sleek drive selector, and ambient lighting that traces along the dash and doors, setting the mood for every journey. Mazda's focus on tactile quality is evident everywhere, from the solid feel of each button to the contour of the leather-wrapped steering wheel that invites confident control. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-50 continues to blend efficiency with performance. Expect a range of Skyactiv powertrains, including a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering around 250 horsepower, and possibly a plug-in hybrid variant for eco-minded drivers. All models are expected to come with iActive all-wheel drive, ensuring optimal grip across all terrains. Combined with Mazda's precise G-Vectoring Control Plus system, the CX-50 delivers that signature Mazda feel. Agile, stable, and deeply connected to the road. Mazda is expected to launch the 2026 CX-50 inches the second half of 2025, with a starting price estimated around $33,000. Reaching up to $45,000 for higher trims, featuring advanced tech packages and luxury interior finishes. Given its balance of elegance, performance, and value, the CX-50 positions itself as a serious competitor to luxury rivals like the BMW X3 and Lexus NX, but with Mazda's uniquely emotional design touch. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of balance between art and engineering. Every curve, every surface, and every stitch reflects Mazda's vision of a human-centered future. If you love cars that blend Japanese precision, emotional design, and modern innovation, the CX-50 might just steal your heart. This is RECTRENDS, and we'll see you in the next review where passion meets performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next ride.